Good morning, teacher. My name is Gabriela Rojas, student class 9193. Unit 4, Lection 5. Unit 4, Lection 5. The gift of giving in story time. I am going to tell you the story I live in imagination. This is a story about a day when I have a one plane tree of which I am terrified to visit my friend Gabriel with one I will spend a gift day visiting a town I will take. I am a year before starting the trip. I visit a flower shop where I found many flowers of various colors. In addition to several gift options, since I have little money, I have the desire to invest $20 wild in my when I think that a typical gift from this town would be a good memory. For Gabriel that once visiting my house and to bring him I give as a thank you for receiving me at his house. I decided to bring some dancing school that considered a good idea sign there by typical figures of the place where I live. I my imaginary inside a green and they lie it ada it idea a lot back. I start to think in many host good like desk. Or was good little with a best gift? I think was well with an appropriate gift even it is something small. These are the details that, in my opinion, cannot be compared with any dying value if they add a deliberate with the or in addition to combining with any gender doors and age. On the other hand, these gifts do not dare sing in other countries. But I love school because they look every colorful and in my opinion they would look great as an ornament in place besides that these are every cheap delicious chip and the star chip cookies would be a good snack to share with a good moment of conversion. This is it landed from my long journey. Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Bye bye.